Hi students, we are reading permutations and combinations. Exercise 7.3, question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 1 तो हमने किया है. Question number 2 की तरफ हम चलते हैं. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digits repeated? We have to find how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated. देखिएगा, all the digits are from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. We have to take 4-digit numbers. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, and 1000's place. We have to find how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digits repeated. देखिएगा, 100 जो 1000's place है, 1000's place can be filled in 10 ways, 9 ways only. Why? Because 0 is not included. 0 can't be placed here. Then it will become only 3-digit number. So in a 4-digit number, 0 can't rest at 1000's place. 100's place, 1000's place can be filled in 9 ways, using the letters, using the digits 1 to 9. Now remaining 100, 10's, and 1's place. Remaining 3 places can be filled by any digit from 0 to 9. Any digit from 0 to 9. ये याद रखिएगा, 0 to 9 इसमें आ सकता है. But 1000's place is already filled and digits are not repeated. But 1000's place is already filled, and digits are not repeated. So these 3 places can be filled in. These 3 places can be filled by 9 digits only. 9 digits only. That means we have to find 3 places. We have to fill 3 places using 9 digits. That is, they can be filled in 9p3 ways. Permutation of 9 objects taken 3 at a time. देखिएगा, ये 3 प्लेसेस है हमारे पास और हमारे पास 9 डिजिट्स है. 0 to 9 में से कोई भी 9, एक को छोड़ के, 1 से 9 में से एक को छोड़ के, क्योंकि 1000's place is already filled. If it contains 1, so 1 cannot be written in this place, or in this place. If it contains 2, we cannot write 2 here because digits are not repeated. So we have to fill these 3 places by 9 digits. It can be done in 9p3 ways. That means we have to take permutations of 9 objects taken 3 at a time. 9p3 is equal to 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial. So this is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Q, because 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial denominator maybe. This and this will cancel out. 9 7s are 63 into 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 6s are 48 and 48 50. 48 and 2 is 50. So these 3 places can be filled in 504 ways. And 1000's place can be filled in 9 ways. This implies all the places can be filled in 504 into 9 ways. That means 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. This implies there are 4, 5, 3, 6, 4-digit numbers in which digits are not repeated. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ चलते हैं. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 if no digit is repeated? How many 3-digit even numbers हमें बनाने हैं in which repetition of digits is not allowed? We have to take digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. We have to fill up 3-digit numbers. First place, this is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. We have to make 3-digit numbers. देखिएगा इवन नंबर्स बनाने हैं तो इवन नंबर्स में 1's place पर कौन कौन सा आएगा? या 2 आएगा, या 4 आएगा, या 6 आएगा. Since numbers are even, 1's place contains only 2, 4 or 6. So 1's place can be filled in 3 ways. क्योंकि इसके लिए हमें 3 filled in 3 ways. इसके लिए हमें 3 digits है तो it can be filled in 3 ways. देखिएगा, when 1's place is filled, 100's and 10's place can be number of digits for 100's and 10's place remains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 है टोटल तो 5 रहते हैं क्योंकि 1's place is already. अगर 1's place में 2 होगा तो 2 ना इसमें आएगा ना इसमें आएगा because repetition is not allowed. इसी तरह अगर 4 होगा या तो 4 ना इसमें आएगा और ना इसमें आएगा. तो इसलिए हमारे पास अगर 6 digits है तो हमारे पास 5 रहते हैं. We are left with 5 digits by which we have to fill 100's and 10's place. When 1's place is filled, we are left with 5 digits only to fill 100's and 10's places. हाँ देखिएगा, हमारे पास 2 places फिल करने हैं, हमारे पास 5 digits है तो हम कितने तरीकों से इसे फिल कर सकते हैं? 5p2 permutation of 5 objects taken 2 at a time. This implies 100's and 10's places can be filled in 5p2 ways. Now 5p2 किसके बराबर है? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. This is 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 is also 3 factorial. This cancels, 5 4s are 20 ways. So 100's and 10's place can be filled in 20 ways and 1's place can be filled in 3 ways. By fundamental principle of counting, all the 3 places can be filled in m into n ways, 3 into 20 ways. All 3 places can be filled in 3 into 20, which is equal to 60 ways. So number of 3-digit numbers which can be formed by using this digit is 60. This implies number of 3-digit numbers is equal to 60, in which digits are not repeated. हाँ, इसी तरह आप खुद कर सकते हो. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ 4-digit numbers that can be formed using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if no digit is repeated. हाँ, how many of them will be even तो वो होंगे जिनके 1's place 2 और 4 से फिल होगी क्योंकि इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5 तक की डिजिट्स हैं. From a क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, from a committee of 8 persons in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one position? तो कितने persons है? Number of persons is 8. Since we have to choose chairman and vice chairman, तो number of posts कितने हैं? Number of posts to be chosen is equal to 2. 8 में से हमें चेयरमैन एंड वाइस चेयरमैन चुनना है, तो उसके लिए कितने वेज है? हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन, हाँ देखिएगा, हमें लेना है 8 ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, 8 पर्सन मीन्स 8 ऑब्जेक्ट्स. हमें कितने की कम्युनिटी चाहिए? 2 की. तो कौन कौन सा आ सकता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा, अगर हमारे पास A, B, C, D, E, F, G और H, देखिएगा A और B आ सकता है, A और C आ सकता है, A और D, A और E, A और F, A और G, A और H. That means we have to take A, B, हाँ A chairman, B vice chairman, या B chairman, A vice chairman. That means we have not take only combination. AB is one, A is chairman, B is vice chairman, or B is chairman, A is vice chairman. This is one way, and this is another way. That means we have to take permutations of these 8 objects taken 2 at a time. That means permutation of 2 objects, 2 persons. So number of ways क्या निकलेगा? Is equal to permutation of 8 objects taken 2 at a time, which is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 2 factorial. This is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by, because 8 minus 2 is also 6 factorial. This cancels, 8 7 is 56. So number of ways is 56. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 की तरफ हम चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is find n if n minus 1 p3 ratio of n minus 1 p3 and np4 is equal to 1:9. We have to find value of n. We have to find value of n. This implies this is n minus 1 p3 divided by np4 is equal to 1/9. 1/9.
If you have an internet.
This implies 9 into n minus 1 p3 is equal to np4. देखिएगा, n minus 1 p3 is to np4 is equal to 1:9. We have to find value of n. That means n minus 1 p3 divided by np4 is equal to 1/9. That means 9 into this is equal to this. So this implies 9 into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus 3 factorial is equal to n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. Because np4 is equal to n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. This will be equal to 9 into n minus 1 factorial लिखिए इसी तरह, तो ये नीचे बन जाएगा n minus 1 minus 3 is n minus 4 factorial. This is equal to n factorial. हाँ लिख सकते हैं हम n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. This and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. This implies n is equal to 9. n is equal to 9. तो उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आप खुद कर सकते हैं. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 से इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तो बेटा हैव अ गुड डे. अल्लाह हाफिज.